On this fine Saturday morning, I decided to take a short trip to Reading, just outside London. The weather was really pleasant, windy, and warm, with the sun softly out. I visited this Oracle Center just around the corner in Reading. It wasn't too crowded. In the Oracle Center Mall, this watch catch my eyes. I instantly walked into this store. This Hamilton Pan Europ carries American heritage with swift craftsmanship. Wearing this watch on the wrist takes you back into 1970s motorsports era. It almost feels like standing on a beach with white boxers or traveling on a cruise, feeling like the ocean around you. Wow. It gives you a very balanced, sporty look and feel. The racing inspired design gives a sense of long distance European driving and looks really dynamic while moving around in the store. So it was really dynamic, I would say. This blue and white dial really helps you, I would say, quite inspiring, very trendy, and very fashionable. Well, after leaving the watch in the store, I stepped outside the Oracle Center, enjoying the weather, taking a deep breath, but still feeling the presence of watch on my wrist.